morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are happy to announce that we already have here one of the latest smartwatch in the market and one of the unique, and trendy design for smartwatches this year. What we have here is the H76 Smartwatch. It says based on the description that it is a unisex smartwatch. It is also intended for women. So let's see. So we have here the H76 Smartwatch, or shall we say SmartBand. And based on the graphics here, as you can see, it is somewhat like a combination of a SmartBand and a smartwatch, similar to one of the wearables of Huawei. So let's check. Very simple packaging here. Smartwatch, your fitness and health tracker. So seems like it is using the Smartwatch Support App. So it says here, features includes weather, heart rate. We have here the processor. We have blood oxygen, 1.57-inch display, remote camera. So compatible with Android and iOS. So let's check. Let's see. Let's open the box. We have here the silver color. Let's check. Again, very simple packaging here. The contents are, we have the charging cable, we have the user manual, and the smartwatch. So let's check. So it is available in different languages, including English language. So we have here the instruction manual. So let's verify. I think it's really using the Smartwatch Support App. So it's not stated here, but based on the logo, we have here. My mistake. Smartwatch Support App. So let's check the design. So we have here the smartwatch. We have the strap, flexible strap. We have it's a good thing it's a metal body, glossy color here, silver glossy finish. So let's remove this one. Let's just put it back later on. We have the charging cable, magnetic charging cable, and of course the smart watch. Wow, nice. As you can see here, 2D, 3D, I guess tempered glass. Very good design. Seems like one of the smartwatch by Oppo. The Oppo watch, remember the screen here. Curved design. Let's have a focus on the seat here. Beautiful screen display here. I don't know the quality, but so far the design is very good. It looks premium. I like it. It looks very high-end. Let me wear it so we can see if it will look okay. Let's remove the strap here. So far I am impressed with the design. Let's see. Again, the strap is interchangeable here. It looks impressive, by the way. Based on the design. So let's check. Okay, we'll lock it tight. Steel buckle here. Looks great. Okay. It looks like a smartwatch intended for women, but so far it looks also good for men. Okay, it's a unisex smartwatch, I think. So let's see the description here. Okay, so we have a zinc alloy body, 1.57-inch display screen, 240 by 360 pixel resolution, and let's see what are the details here. Okay, so here's your smartwatch design, wonderful, fully presented, bigger screen, clearer. We also have heart rate, blood pressure monitoring, and blood oxygen. We have sports or automatic step counter, sleep monitoring, and we have different designs here. Okay, color options. We have, let me see. Okay, I think we have here the black, okay, the silver and pink. Okay, but so far it looks premium. It looks beautiful. Okay, I love the screen display here. Beautiful screen display. Let's see if we still have a battery. Okay, seems like we have. Okay, nice looking smartwatch so far. Okay, let's see if it's responsive. So far it is very responsive. Okay, okay, I like this one. Display, let me increase the, okay, so that's it. Wow, better than Apple Watch clone, I think. I just don't know about the functionality, but when it comes to design, the display screen here, it is beautiful, very sharp. Okay, let me remove it and have a much closer look. See it here. I like the look. It looks very premium. Okay, nice looking smartwatch, the H76. I'm impressed with the design. Okay, let's see if we have other watch faces here. Let's get more. How about this one? Yes, that's it. I think I will like this. Very beautiful. Very responsive. Okay, the US is simple. The UI is simple, but I like the graphics. Very sharp. Okay, sit here. I'm impressed. So far, so good with this one. Very affordable. Okay, I just don't know the functionality when it is loaded or when it is connected to the Daffit Support app, if it's still okay or not. But so far, as a judging on the design and the screen display, this one is very good. Like it. Very affordable. Plus, it is a it has a very beautiful design. Much better compared to other smartwatches that we bought so far, especially on the Series 6 clone Apple Watch lookalike smartwatch. This one, it is impressive. I love the graphics here. Okay, so this is just the initial review or impression. I don't know if how will the display works when it is outside on daylight. I don't know if it's sharp, or you can see the graphics or not. But here, okay, on a very simple lighting, okay, so far it is very sharp. The graphics are very sharp. Okay, the design is very good, and very responsive so far. Okay, so far I have a very good impression on this wearable, the H76 Smartwatch. Again, if you have any comments regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below, and of course, we will answer your queries if we have the time. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.